Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Clans. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook story. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Go ahead and tap on Create Story. Now tap on the video or photo that you want to upload. Tap on the music icon. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen to select the music of your choice. Tap on the song that you want to upload. Once you tap on the lyrics, you can also select the portion of the music that you want to upload by dragging the button to your left or to your right. You can also change the font style of the music by tapping on the various circular buttons at the middle of your screen. Tap on Done at the top right of your screen. You can change its location by dragging the button. Once you are satisfied, tap on Share. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.